Hello guys, welcome to TN Entertainment TV. If you're new guys, please subscribe.
And then you had your second album in 2018, and then the new album 2020. Do we have anything that might be coming out this year, or
as far as the album is probably gonna drop Q2 next year. I don't think I'm gonna drop it this year, but I'm gonna be dropping a whole lot of music and like collabs and stuff like that with other artists anytime in between.
And can we get a little sneak peek of the type of
vibes we're bringing, type of energy
from the album?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't think I could give that
reveal
away
anything?
yet.
Okay.
You're like, no, that's a little top secret.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Bit of my culture in whether it was like the art cover or embedded somewhere in my music, whether it was the drums or whatever. And then that inspired the title and the artwork, pretty much.
Okay. And do you see yourself doing more sounds like that in the future?
Yeah, every now and then I spin that to that.
Whether it's from where you're from or like today you spoke to different students, do you hold yourself to a certain standard of what you want to say in your music or how you represent yourself to the world?
I don't think about it like that. I try not to put that kind of pressure on myself. To some degree, I think I do.
You just want to be you. And
I just want to be me. I have fun in there when I'm in the studio. So I might talk about the dumbest stuff and then I get on the song and speak about something that really needs to be addressed. You know, I might do that or not. But
just being you and being versatile, whatever you want to say.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't shoot.